Okay guys, once and for all, pag-usapan na nga natin kung paano ba talaga at anong nangyayari sa tuwing nagsisettle yung concealer sa fine lines ng eyes natin. Hello, my name is Abby. I work at a makeup school called Makeup Science Asia, and I'm here to tell you about concealer settling on your fine lines and wrinkles. And hindi lang ito sa skin around our eyes. Meron din tayo dito sa laugh lines or sa kahit anong area na meron tayong texture. Pero, ang style namin sa makeup school is to really set proper expectations and disclaimers. So, the skin around our eyes are thinner than the rest of our face, which means it doesn't hold as much moisture. Dahil dito, nagkakaroon tayo ng wrinkles and fine lines dyan sa mga area na yan, and talaga namang mahirap kumapit ang makeup. Hindi natin ma-erase completely ang pagkikake, ang wrinkling, ang pagsettle sa fine lines. Hindi Photoshop ang makeup, okay? However, there are a lot of things that we can do to help keep that at bay, and the first thing is skincare. Okay, so we sometimes say that eye serum is a cash grab. It's not. You need eye serum because you need a stronger, quote-unquote, moisturizer for the skin around our eyes para mag-hold siya ng mas maraming moisture and para mas maganda yung lapat ng concealers. Another is, after your skincare, you must also use a primer na akma sa skin type mo. So, for example, I'm dry-skinned, so most of my primers are hydrating. If you're oily, use something for oil control, or if you have a lot of texture on your skin, use something that's pore minimizing. Using the right type of primer will help your concealer stay on longer and flatter. Third, if your concern is really texture and you want to avoid the texture being seen more, then you can avoid using anything shimmery or anything that reflects light. Simply put, you gotta keep it matte. And that is our tip for today. I hope you learned something. Don't forget to follow me for more makeup tips. Bye!